Okay, so I'm kind of stuck in sort of a trap jam. We'll make it to Shiloh shortly. Um, I don't know what the problem is, honestly, but I guess it was really good with the guy earlier. I just got out of Salisbury, a little town of Salisbury, and I don't know what's going on, honestly. But we're in kind of a traffic jam with road construction and these combines. There were like 4 or 5 of them, and I guess they had to turn around and we're kind of with them. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here in the next few minutes. I'm not actually. This is only the long trip. Really shouldn't have been that long a trip to Shiloh, but I was planning on making an all-day thing today. But I was like, well, it's not out. It's not hot, so I should be able to get going. Like the horns are proceeding on the other side from where we are, so maybe after they leave, we'll be able to go. Um, and it looks like that is the case. So, in just a few minutes, we'll be on our way. So that'll be good, and we can press on more to Shiloh. Last pass, hurry up. And so, all right, so we're about ready to go. Because there's a bar, I guess we get be directed to a place. So let's